Hello guys, I hope you're all doing great. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make Google as a homepage on Microsoft Edge. Are you ready? So let's get started. As you can see, this is my browser, okay, Microsoft Edge. Open the browser and go to three dots, as you can see on the right side, and click on setting, okay. On the left side, we have different options. So click on Start, Home, and New tab. If you open the Microsoft Edge browser, Google should be actually as the of this browser. How we can do that? Very easy. So add new page or open this page and click on add new page, www.google.com, for example. Okay. As you can see, I set up the Google's homepage of Microsoft Edge. So let's test if it works or not. Okay, close the browser and open it. As you can see, the Google is the homepage of Microsoft Edge. That's how you can do that. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, just drop them in the comment section. If you're new here, please do subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.